Northwest Health MEC Sello Lehari is expected to give an update on the post-mortem results of the suspected illegal miners that were extracted at the disused mine shafts in Stilfontein. The identification process of the 78 deceased were delayed due to the badly decomposed state of those bodies. Newzroom Afrika's Refiloe Seboko is live for us from Phokeng. A sad day today, but hopefully the pursuit of answers in terms of those identities continue and will be available fairly soon for the benefit of their families. Refiloe.
Indeed, Iman, a sad day was as the MEC of Health in the Northwest Province, Sello Lehari, will be giving an update with regards to the autopsies of those that have been declared deceased when those that were brought to the surface from the disused shaft mine in Stilfontein. We'll remember that there's 78 bodies that had been brought to the surface, and the issue of the identification process also being a challenge. That is why the process had also been delayed because of the state of decomposition of most of the bodies that were brought to the surface. You remember that there has been also, a call to actually understand what has been the cause of death with regards to these illegal miners. Some indicating that starvation could be the cause of death, but that is why we will hear those autopsies results that will be released today by the MEC of Health, Sello Lehari, but also an issue of medication. You remember that there were those that are said to have been underground, having chronic diseases, also indicating that they are in need of chronic medication underground. We'll remember the letter that was brought, one of the letters that were brought to the surface, which a plea for medications such as ARVs from those that were underground. And I guess today we'll get some bit of a clarification with regards to the autopsies that have been done so far, the identification process being a problem at this moment in time, not only because of the state of decomposition of those bodies, Iman, but also because we understand that most of them that have been brought to the surface, even those that have been declared to have been deceased, are foreign nationals who are said to be undocumented, which that on its own seems to add to the challenge of that identification process. Although police in the province have made a word out there to say that those that will need to come to, to claim, and even when that identification process starts, they can approach the Stilfontein police station so that they can be assisted with those regard. That briefing by the MEC of Health in the Northwest Province, Iman, is expected to start at 9 o'clock. We have not seen any movement of arrival here at Phokeng of either authorities from health or the MEC himself. However, as soon as that briefing starts, we'll give you an update together with our viewers.